Here's why being a project manager is actually a tougher job than most people think. So being a project manager, a lot of times what happens is people become project managers and they have to manage these huge projects, whether it's product development. In my case, I was helping implement an ERP system, or maybe it's some kind of software product you're working on. The hard part about being a project manager is generally you're not given direct authority over the team you're working with. You're just responsible for managing them. You're usually not responsible for making any big decisions or getting a new budget or anything like that. Your job as a project manager is to effectively communicate information and get decisions made. You shouldn't derive your value based off of if the project's on budget or if it's ahead of time, ahead of schedule. You need to keep in mind that there's a lot of factors out of your control, and the best thing you can do is focus on being very efficient with your messaging and making sure you're getting the right people in the room and making those decisions as fast as you can. As long as you're doing that, you're gonna do a good job.